This is the 2011 Yamaha Stryker out to replace or remove your back brake lever. Of course, there's two bolts on the bottom here. See, I already moved one. They are 14. Remove the two bolts. You remove the two bolts, then your mechanism will come out. You move the two springs and then the spring up there, and of course finally you have to move down here. And if you're seeing it, first you got to remove this spring, just move it out of here, and then there's one spring behind here. Go around, that connects the brake light. Gonna remove this right here from that mechanism right there. Very simple to remove. When you move that spring, of course you gotta take out this pin. So there is a little bar there. So you have to move this. Use the pliers and remove this spring and push it out, and then to separate from it, you can take this out. And of course you can replace it. Some people like to put in a bigger, broader one. Like in this case, this one got bent, and so we're gonna remove it and replace it. So that's one way of replacing on a 2011 Yamaha Stryker 1300 cc's with a back lever brake pedal.